Hi guys, welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. May God bless you all. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers have come out to give reasons why court suspended the IPOB leaders trial yesterday. Aloy Jumaco, the special counsel to Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has reacted to the decision of the Federal High Court in Abuja to suspend the further trial of its client. Ejimako explained that it was impossible for Justice Binta Nyako-led court to continue with Kanu's trial. Justice Nyako put off Kanu's trial to the pending resolution of the federal government appeal against the October 13 judgment of the Court of Appeal that discharged him from the terrorism charges. The federal government appeal seeking a reservoir of the Court of Appeal judgment is pending before the Supreme Court. Reacting, Ejimako said, the Court of Appeal judgment and that of the Federal High Court in Umuahia made it impossible for Nyako to continue with Kanu's trial. In a chat with Daily Post, the special counsel said, the pending appeal before the Supreme Court was a barrier to the continuation of the trial. My reaction to the Federal High Court Abuja ruling declined further trial of Nnamdi Kanu. The ruling by Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court Abuja was not unexpected. There is absolutely no way she can proceed with the trial of Nnamdi Kanu in view of the jurisdictional barriers created by the judgment of the Court of Appeal and that of the Federal High Court, Umuahia. To cap it all, the matter is also pending before the Supreme Court. On appeal, no trial court can proceed with any trial that is burdened by these triple factors, they said. So how come the AGF, Abubakar Malami, do not understand all this? This is really very scary now. How come Ejimako do not understand that it will not be possible for the federal government to further try Nnamdi Kanu, even after the appeal court have said that Nnamdi Kanu cannot be tried in any court in Nigeria? Appeal court said Nnamdi Kanu cannot be tried or prosecuted in any court in Nigeria. But the federal government of Nigeria, they are aware of all these things. So what exactly do they really want? It's scary, honestly speaking. Because you can see a kind of desperation in this matter. The federal government is too desperate to do whatever thing they want to do. But I don't think this will do anybody any good. The best thing they should do is obey the court order. The appeal court have discharged the IPOB leader. So they should obey the court order and let him go. Because all these pushing go this side, they are just making mockery of the judiciary. And I love what is going on now. At least our judiciary system is telling us that we still have hope in them. We are still hoping to hear what is going to be the outcome in the Supreme Court. And I know that the Supreme Court is not going to manufacture their judgment. Their judgment is not still going to be, different from the appeal court judgment. You understand? This is not just something you are just talking about yourself. If as a leader up to now, even with what is going on in the Southeast region, you have not even reason to say, okay, let peace abide. Up to now, that means that we're saying something is wrong somewhere. You understand? As a leader, you're supposed to carry everybody along. Even with what is going on in the Southeast, I'm repeating it again. What is going on in the Southeast right now is even enough for the federal government of Nigeria. It's okay, since the court have said, okay, let's discharge, let Nnamdi Kanu be discharged. and acquitted, okay, let him be discharged. But see, this, and all that. But at least obey the court order first. That is what everybody is saying. Apart from those who do not see Nnamdi Kanu release as a kind of, that will bring peace in Nigeria, apart from those people. And this kind of people are the people who do not really want peace. I am saying this. The Southeasterners, they are being held in captivity, because the more the Nigerian government is holding Nnamdi Kanu, the more these people are being held. This Monday sit at home and all the happenings here and there and all that. Nigerian government should just understand that this Nnamdi Kanu is a very difficult one to them. You get it? There is no how they will come out from this, or there is no how they will say they want to jail Nnamdi Kanu or whatever, any other thing they are thinking. By the first step they took, the invasion of Nnamdi Kanu's house, the extraordinary rendition from Kenya to Nigeria, Nigerian government have made a series of mistakes. And this is what is really, holding them. They made a lot of mistakes. You don't go about things like this. This agitation of a thing is a very sensitive one. And when you are dealing with the matter, you have to be very, very careful. It's not by you will just come out and now say these people, they are now terrorists, because you feel that with that you will be able to kill those ones you are killing. But those who are actually the terrorists are working freely in the northern part of this country. It's really a very big shame to say. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you for always stopping by.